In this video, I'll show you how to change text style in Instagram story. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Instagram story, and as you know, just click on this text option on top. Alright, write something. And as you can see, just slide to the right and you can change your font style. Now if you want to add some background to it, just click on this sparkle option. As you can see. Now if you want to add some effect, just click on this A option, sparkle, neon, shimmer, pixel, or whatever you want. Now also you can add some effect by clicking on this. If you want to change the background, just click on this and change it like this. So basically that's it for the video. That's how you can change font style on Instagram. Thanks for watching.